Need to update your Rogers Business Wi-Fi password? It's crucial for security. As of November 2025, you can easily do this through either the Rogers Ignite Gateway admin interface or the Rogers Business app. First, we'll cover why this is important. Weak or default passwords are a major entry point for cyber attacks. Changing your password regularly and using strong, complex passwords with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols helps to secure your business network. Rogers has been rolling out updates, including mandatory two-factor authentication and AI-driven threat detection, to combat this. Remember, Rogers defaults to WPA3 for new setups, which offers stronger encryption. For the gateway admin method, first ensure you're connected to the same network as your Rogers modem. Next, open a web browser and enter your modem's IP address, which is usually 192.168.0.1 or 10.0.0.1. Log in using your admin credentials, which you can find on the modem sticker, or use the ones you set up previously. Navigate to the Wi-Fi settings, update the SSID network name and password, then save your changes. For the Rogers Business app method, first download and open the Rogers Business app on your iOS or Android device. Log in with your business account credentials. Select your Wi-Fi network, choose the option to change the password, enter your new password, and save. The password change takes effect immediately, requiring all connected devices to reconnect with the new password. The app is especially useful for remote password changes.